In this lesson, we're going to be talking about system recovery checkpoints. In Windows, for the last few versions, there have been ways of restoring the system back to a previous state of the operating system. Now, the reason for doing that may be that you applied a patch or a service pack that has caused problems with either the operating system, so maybe it won't actually run in a useful or stable way, or there may be compatibility issues with certain applications. So you may want to be able to roll the system back just like we can with virtual machines, where we discuss checkpoints and snapshots in another lesson. But with Windows, they have the ability to roll back the operating system to a previously known good state. Now, with older versions of Windows, like Windows Vista, for example, you used to be able to get to the system restore points directly, and they would be in the system volume information directory, and that's no longer accessible. Now, what I can do, though, is I can launch a program called System Restore. And what System Restore is going to do is it's going to show me the different restore points. So there's a recommended restore point that was created at that particular point in time. Now I could choose a different restore point. So there are several restore points here, and it has to do with whether it's before or after an application has been installed. Here is a Windows update. I can do more restore points. And so I've got a couple of Windows updates, and I could restore to any one of these particular points in time and just undo, basically, what has been done to the system that has caused it to be unstable or unworking or lacking compatibility with the right applications. So a system restore point gives me the ability to do undos, and you can see here I've got several layers of undos that I could choose. So Windows 7 still has the ability to do system restores, but it's not something you can get to directly any longer. If you were to be able to be looking at a hard drive in a forensic tool, you could find the place on the hard drive where these restore points were actually stored, but they probably wouldn't show you a lot of useful information. One of the big advantages here is I've just got this graphical interface that allows me to select a restore point, and I can roll the operating system back to that and get a working system again. So that's the system restore functionality that comes with Microsoft Windows.